Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 47, and I have collected all these vocabulary facts and figures from Dawn newspaper. So the first one is liability. So its synonyms include drawback, negative, disbenefit, downside. We can also say something which are uh, disadvantageous, so we can say it a liability. Next one, toddlerhood. So a young child who is just learning to walk. So such children are called toddlerhood. Next one, tut-tooting, so to show disapproval, simply we can say tut, T-U-T. Next one, nanny. So nanny is another term for nurse, child nurse or caregiver. In Urdu, we say it aya. Next one, hysteria. So, psychoneurosis marked by emotional excitability and disturbances. Hysteria is a psychological problem, and there is an emotional disturbance along with uh, excitability. Next one, amnesia. So amnesia is loss of memory due to usually due to brain injury or shock. And one is dementia. Dementia is the loss of short-term memory. Memory are of two type. One is short-term and the other one is long-term. Amnesia, loss of memory due to uh, damage to brain or shock to the brain. Next one, outlier. So its meaning is to live longer than. Next one, unedifying. So unenlightening, not morally uplifting or instructive. Next one, scrum. So crowd, herd, army, flock, mob, swarm, throng. So all these are actually collective nouns and as well as the synonyms of scrum. Next one, jostling. So to push against while moving forward in a crowd of people. In Urdu, its meaning is halchal, hujum. Next one, gravitas. So very serious quality or manner. Next one, sonority. So imposing or impressive in effect or style. Gunj. Next one, rowdy. So noisy, disorderly or rough. Next one, nimble, able to learn and understand things quickly and easily. So it's called nimble. Next one, adroitness. So very clever or skillful. Next one, weatherman. So it is an instrument and used to find the direction of wind. And what is wind? When the air is in motion, so it is called wind. Next one, escorted. So to go with someone or something to give protection or guidance. It's the duty of mostly the armed forces because these are the ultimate protector. Next one, absenteeism. So the practice of being absent from workplace without good reason. Next one, novelty. So something new or unusual. Next one, putrefying. So corrupt, decay, foul. Next one, treasury. So store in which wealth are kept or some valuable stuff are kept. Next one, tilted. So its meaning is shift, lean, jukao. So it's all for today, and if you people have any question, so ask freely. Thank you and good luck.